Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all crave: how to live a more joyful and fulfilling life every single day. You know, happiness isn't some far-off destination or a one-size-fits-all formula. It's personal, it's unique, and it starts with how we choose to show up in our own lives. The world keeps spinning, the stars keep shining, and life, it moves forward whether we're ready or not. So why not choose to make every day count? As someone who's been on this personal growth journey myself, I've learned that true joy comes from cultivating a mindset that's open, resilient, and full of gratitude. It's about learning new skills, embracing optimism, and spreading kindness wherever we go. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's explore 15 practical ways to live a more joyful and fulfilling life every day. These tips are designed to spark positivity and help you shine brighter, no matter what life throws your way. Let's get started. Number 1. Embrace your unique strengths. Let's kick things off with a big one. Believe in yourself. Nobody's perfect. We all have our quirks, our strengths, and our struggles. But here's the truth. You are capable of incredible things. Stop doubting yourself or thinking you're not good enough. That project you've been putting off, that dream you've tucked away. Start small. Take that first step and trust that you've got what it takes. Maybe you're not the best at public speaking, but you're a pro at problem solving. Celebrate what makes you you, and don't waste energy comparing yourself to others. You're on your own path, and that's more than enough. Number 2, start your day with positive self-talk. Mornings can be tough, right? Sometimes you wake up feeling lost, overwhelmed, or stuck in a loop of self-doubt. But here's a game changer. Talk to yourself like you'd talk to your best friend. Swap those negative thoughts for empowering ones. Try saying, "I'm doing my best, and that's enough. Today's a fresh start, and I'm ready to make it count. I'm stronger than my challenges. I'm growing every single day." Write these affirmations down. Stick them on your mirror, say them out loud, let them sink in. This small habit can shift your mindset and set a positive tone for the entire day. Number 3, reframe challenges as opportunities. Life's full of ups and downs, but how we see those downs makes all the difference. Instead of letting setbacks drag you into negativity, try flipping the script. Got stuck in traffic? Think, "This gives me a moment to listen to my favorite podcast." Or just breathe. Missed a deadline. Reflect. "I learned something new about managing my time, and I'll nail it next time." By focusing on the silver lining, you train your brain to see possibilities instead of problems. It's not about ignoring the bad stuff. It's about choosing to find the good. Number 4, keep a gratitude journal. You don't need to climb mountains or win awards to feel fulfilled. Sometimes, the smallest victories are the most meaningful. Grab a journal and write down 3 things each day that brought you joy or made you proud. Maybe you helped a coworker, learned a new recipe, or simply got out of bed on a tough day. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to notice the good stuff. When you're feeling low, flip through your journal to remind yourself how far you've come. It's like a little love letter to yourself, and it works wonders. Number 5, surround yourself with uplifting words. Words have power, so fill your life with ones that lift you up. Find quotes that resonate with you and make them part of your daily routine. Pin them to your desk, set them as your phone, wallpaper, or write them in a journal. Here are a few of my favorites. You don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Every day's a chance to start fresh. Choose joy, even when it's hard. Small steps lead to big dreams. You are enough, just as you are. You can also dive into books like The Happiness Project or Big Magic for a daily dose of inspiration. These words will fuel your soul and keep you grounded in positivity. Number 6, let go of the little things. Life's too short to sweat the small stuff. That rude comment from a stranger, the spilled coffee on your shirt. Let it go. Ask yourself, will this matter in a week, a month? If the answer is no, don't let it steal your peace. Instead of stressing over minor annoyances, redirect that energy towards something that lights you up, like calling a friend or working on a passion project. Choosing to let go makes you lighter and opens up space for joy. Number 7, spread smiles everywhere. A smile is like a tiny burst of sunshine, and it's contagious. Start your day with a big, genuine smile in the mirror. It's a signal to yourself that you're ready to embrace the day. At night, Reflect on one thing that made you happy and smile again. Better yet, share that smile with others. Compliment a coworker, make a stranger laugh, or send a kind text. Smiles create a ripple effect, and they'll come back to you in the best ways. Number 8. Create moments of joy. You don't need a special occasion to have fun. Make your days brighter by adding little pockets of joy. Play your favorite upbeat playlist while getting ready. Watch a funny YouTube video during lunch, or treat yourself to your favorite snack. When you're with others, share a lighthearted story or crack a joke to keep the vibe high. These moments don't just boost your mood, they make you someone others love to be around. Number 9. Stay open to life's twists and turns. Life loves throwing curveballs, lost jobs, broken friendships, unexpected changes. It's easy to feel defeated, but here's the truth. Every ending is a new beginning. Lost a job? Maybe it's a chance to explore a new career path. Friend moved away. It's an opportunity to connect with new people. Embrace change with curiosity, not fear. Stay optimistic, knowing that even the toughest moments are part of your growth. Keep moving forward, because there's always something beautiful waiting. Number 10. Be kind to your past self. We've all messed up, and that's okay. It's how we learn. Instead of beating yourself up over past mistakes, offer yourself the same compassion you'd give a friend. Made a bad decision. You did the best you could with what you knew then. The key is to learn from it and keep growing. Forgiving yourself frees you from the weight of regret and lets you focus on building a brighter future. Number 11. Share your light with others. Giving doesn't have to mean grand gestures. Small acts of kindness, like sharing a helpful tip, offering a listening ear, or volunteering your time, can transform your day and someone else's. Teach a friend a skill you're good at, donate old clothes, or simply smile at someone who looks down. Giving creates a cycle of positivity that lifts everyone up, including you. Number 12. Simplify your problems. When life feels overwhelming, it's tempting to get stuck in a mental rut. Instead of overthinking, break big problems into bite-sized pieces. Struggling with a work project? Tell yourself, I don't need all the answers right now. I just need to take one step. This approach keeps you moving forward and builds confidence as you go. Number 13. Choose your circle wisely. The people around you shape your energy. Surround yourself with those who inspire, support, and challenge you to grow. Seek out friends who lift you up, share your values, and push you to be your best self. At the same time, gently distance yourself from toxic relationships, people who drain your energy or bring negativity. Unfollow social media accounts that make you feel less than, and curate a space that feels uplifting. Your vibe attracts your tribe, so choose wisely. Number 14. Build habits that nourish you. A joyful life starts with a healthy foundation. Make time for habits that fuel your body and soul. Move your body, whether it's a morning walk, yoga, or dancing in your living room. Read daily. Even 10 minutes of a good book can spark new ideas. Eat mindfully. Choose foods that make you feel energized, not sluggish. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours to recharge your mind and body. These habits aren't just self-care, they're the building blocks of a vibrant life. Number 15. Grow a little every day. The secret to a fulfilling life is simple. Keep getting better. Learn a new skill, like cooking a new dish or mastering a presentation. Work on traits you want to improve. Maybe you want to be more patient or confident. Take care of your appearance in a way that makes you feel good, whether it's a new haircut or a favorite outfit. Every small step toward growth builds a life you're proud of. Wow, we just covered 15 practical ways to live a more joyful and fulfilling life every day. If you're watching this, you're already taking a step toward a brighter, more positive you. Happiness isn't about having it all figured out. It's about choosing to show up, embrace the journey, and find joy in the little moments. Pick 1 or 2 of these tips to start with and try them out this week. I promise, small changes can lead to big transformations. So tell me in the comments, which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let's inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Here's to living your most joyful life, one day at a time. See you in the next one.